Hi, today I'm for SAMSUNG Galaxy A73 and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So to do that, we should press the power key button for a few seconds. And now if you get the same situation like in my case, if you just by press and hold the power key open the Bixby assistant, and if you don't want to use the assistant from power button, you want just to use the power off menu, you should first open the settings and then scroll down to the advanced features. After that, tap the side key here in press and hold section, switch back Bixby to power off menu. Just now let's press and hold the power key and we can see here the power off menu. Just tap twice to power off icon to turn off our device. Now after the vibration the screen is dark and this means that our device is turned off. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.